Hello guys, welcome back to part 6 of this how to improve your email deliverability in 2024. Now, in the part 6 of this training tutorial, which is going to be the last part of this entire training tutorial series, we are going to discuss how to get the email swipes and also how to check the email swipes for spammy content, whether it might be the subject line or the body content. And also the final one, which is most important, before sending the actual campaign or actual email, we have to test that particular email with a third-party free spam checking tool. So I'll show you exactly how to do this step by step. So please watch this video till the end. Now in the previous parts, if you remember, I have shown you how to purchase the domain, how to authenticate your domain, how to check for block list of your domain, and also how to use Google Postmaster tool to fix your email deliverability. Now I understand the real pain and the struggle that the beginners are going through, especially if you're starting your email marketing business using solo ads. Then you need to have your own email swipes because you need to send emails daily. If not once per day, it's going to be like twice or thrice per day once you scale up your email campaigns. So for this, you need email swipes. Now, to get these email swipes, I have a special resource where you can get almost like 5,000 to 6,000 emails for a cheap amount. So when you click on the 16K email swipes link in the description box below, you will reach this page. So this is about the email swipes provided by Matt Besek, who is a top email marketer on the planet. Now you can see over here, I just paid 16K for these email swipes that earned me $2 million. You can have them for peanuts if you're super fast. So Matt Besek has used these email swipes to earn around $2 million and he has paid around 16K for these email swipes. So when you scroll down, you can see the price of these email swipes. And when you just go above over here, you can see the price is around $12.28, which is very cheap. And you can have around 6,000 emails for you to use for your solo ads business. So I'll show you exactly what you get in this 16K email swipes. So when you download these email swipes after purchasing, you will get this zip folder called 16K swipes plus bonuses. So once you zip it, then open it, you have the 16K swipe and 5421 emails. Now just open these 5421 emails and you can see here a hell a lot of emails available with the subject lines. So you can, when you scroll down, you can see so many email swipes available for your solo ads business. So if you're a complete beginner, don't worry, you can buy this email swipes and you can use in your business, but just don't use it directly by copy and pasting in your email campaigns. Do a little bit of tweak and adjustment necessary so that you can use only generic email swipes and not product specific. And you can use ChatGPT to rewrite these email swipes and use it in your campaign. So when you scroll down, you can get any of these emails. So just click on this easiest way to earn dollars online. So you have this subject line, which is easiest ways to earn dollars online. And here you can see the body content of this email. Hey there, this could be one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you're interested in this opportunity of a lifetime, check out this site as soon as possible. So you just need to remove this entire affiliate link and insert your own affiliate link over here. Highlight this portion and just insert your affiliate link in your autoresponder. So let me just show you how to check the spamminess of this email. So just copy the subject line. So when you search auto close, so this is their website, autoclose.com. You can search on the Google and you will reach this page. And when you scroll down to the bottom, here you can see this resources email spam checker. Click on the email spam check and here you can just copy the subject and the body content to check the spamminess of the email. Now let me show you how to do this. So I have copied the subject line. Now it is showing easiest ways to earn dollars online. Now it is showing please check your subject or email body. So let me copy and paste the body content. So here you can see that the email has been highlighted with certain words. Now when you go over here, this is shown as this has been marked as a spam word. And here you can see opportunity. This has been marked as a spam word. For a lifetime, this has been marked as a spam word. So what you need to do is just change these words. Now instead of making money, let me put it as moolah. Moolah online. Now the spam word has been removed. Now for opportunity, now you can always check for alternate word using ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT and I'm just typing in as alternate word for opportunity and I'm just going to use as option. So remove the opportunity and then replace with option. So now the spam words has been removed. Now next, of a lifetime. So if you search for alternate word for lifetime using ChatGPT, you get lifespan. So I'm just going to use lifespan. So here you can see I have changed it to lifespan. So the spam word has been removed entirely. So over here you can insert your affiliate link. So I'm just going to copy this entire body and the subject and going to insert into the campaigns. So this is how you check the spamminess of the email body or the email subject line. Now the final step, which is the most important, is to, before sending the actual campaign, we need to test out this email to send to a particular email address and check for any spamminess of this email. So I'm going to show you a free tool. You can use it. Now this is the website called mail-tester.com. You can search on the Google and we can check the spamminess of your emails by sending to this particular email. So what you need to do is just copy this email address. So once you have copied this email address, you need to go to your autoresponder. Now for the testing purpose, I'm going to show you Getresponse. So after you send the campaign from Getresponse to this particular email address, then you have to click on the check your score button. So after copying this email address, go to your autoresponder, which is Getresponse. So what I did was that I have created a new list called mail tester and I have added the contact. If you go and click on this mail tester, I have added this email address which was given by mail tester. So if you go to mail tester, you can see this test underscore 569. I've added this email address manually. So after adding this email address manually, what I did was I have made it as default. So after adding this email address to this list mail tester, I have made it as default by clicking these three dots and make as default. So it has been added as default list. Now what you need to do is just go to tools and click on email marketing. Now I'm just going to duplicate the email which I already sent. So I'm just going to copy this, click on the three dots over here and reuse. So I'm just going to change this name as test2 and this is the email address. If you remember, we have created and I have shown you how to authenticate this email address in my previous videos. You can watch that. And subject line, you can see easiest ways to earn dollars online. And recipients, I'm just going to update the recipients over here. I'm just going to update the recipients as mail tester, which I have currently created it. So I'm just going to click on add. So once I've added, you can go to the messages. You can click on the edit message. And if you remember, I have already created this. So I've just copied this whole body content and I have pasted over here and I have inserted the link as google.com. If you go and check here for testing purpose, in practice we have to enter the affiliate link over here. Okay, so after that, click on the next button. So once done, you can just click on the send message button. So you need to wait for some time until the email is sent. So once it is done, you can just go to manage newsletters. So you can see the email message which we have sent, which is scheduled right now. The status will change to sent. So now you can see the email has been sent. Now you can go and check your mailtester.com. So now I'm going to click on the check your score. Wow, perfect. You can send. So now the mailtester.com has checked your spamminess of your email, authentication and everything. So over here you can see the subject which we have used, easiest ways to earn dollars online. Here you can see, click here to view your message, spam assassin likes you. Now just you can click here the from address, the bounce address, the reply to address, and spam assassin likes you, which means that there is no spam content in your email. So the spam score is 11.2 and anything below 5 is considered as spam, and you are properly authenticated, which is very good. So our authentication has been done 100%. So you can see the SPF is authorized, your DKIM signature is valid, and you have passed the DMARC test. So everything is done perfect and your message is safe and well formatted. Okay, you are not blacklisted. When you click on this, you can see you're not on any of these blacklisted accounts. So it's perfect. Your domain is not blacklisted and no broken links. So this you have to ensure this, because whenever you're inserting your affiliate link, please ensure that the affiliate link is working at that moment of time. That is what is called no broken links, and your score is, your lovely total is 10 out of 10. So that's good. So this is how you need to check the spamminess of your email body and subject line, and to check the actual campaign before sending out. using mailtester.com, which is a free tool. And also one important note over here, whenever you're using the Matt Besack email swipes, always check that the body content is not too big. Please ensure that the email body is not more than 5 to 6 lines. And also make sure that you add at least 2 or 3 affiliate links inside the body content and not more than 3. So that's how you achieve email deliverability after doing everything step by step what I have shown in this entire training tutorial video series. So now if you're someone who's interested in learning or building an online business, and you want to live the life of your dreams and want to quit your 9-to-5 job and want to live the laptop lifestyle, then please check my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below, where the mentor Ben, who's from Singapore, is my own mentor, and he's going to help you in this online journey trying to build your business. So when you click on the affiliate link in the description box below, you will reach this page called Welcome to Passive Income Profits. So he has 3 levels of mentorship program, and one is called the Beginners Club, second one is called the Start Club, and the third one is called the Inner Circle. Now the Beginners Club, which is $97 USD one time, here you have more than 100 videos where you have got your training on 4 different topics, which is the email marketing, social media marketing, the paid ads training, and also the course creation success secrets. You can watch all these videos and try it on your own. Now this is going to be more of like a do it for yourself kind of training. So Beginners Club is more of you watching the video and trying it on your own. And you also got access to Facebook group where he will answer your questions in less than 24 hours. Now, the next one, which is called the Start Club, which is $2997 US one time. Now, this is going to be more for like a intermediate and advanced marketers where they need specialized techniques, where they need advanced strategies and how to improve their email marketing, how to improve their ROI on email marketing. This is for those kind of people where they need to step up their game a little bit. Then you have this Start Club where you have 8 times weekly one-on-one Zoom sessions with the mentor Ben himself. Now this is going to be 8 times and it's going to be minimum of 60 minutes each Zoom session, and it's going to be a one-on-one Zoom session and it's not a one-to group coaching. So you will have access to his personal Facebook Messenger, so you can directly send messages to Ben for any queries or any issues, and he will literally help you or answer you within less than 12 hours. Final one, which is called as Inner Circle, which is $6997 US one time. Now this is a mentorship program that has around 82% success rate. Now why it has so much of success rate? Now you have everything in Start Club Plus. So whatever you get in Start Club, you will get in Inner Circle also. So what you get in Inner Circle program? Now in the Inner Circle program, you can work directly with the mentor perpetually until you achieve a minimum of $5,000 US in profit. In profit, guys, this is not total revenue. This is in profit consecutively for 3 months. Now this is not going to be like 1 month you get 5,000 and the next month you don't get 5,000, you reach 3,000, and the next month you get around 7,000. Now this is not going to work like that. You have to make consistently $5,000 in profit for 3 months. Only then you are graduated from this Inner Circle program. So what all you get in this Inner Circle mentorship? You get a once a week one-on-one Zoom session. So this is also going to be minimum of 60 minutes. And if you have any questions, then he is always there to help you and answer you unless you exhaust your own questions. So, and then you have a tailor-made approach for you. So whether you're a beginner or a working professional or a working mom or a busy father, he has the tailor-made options for you to build your online business. You also have direct Facebook Messenger access where he will answer your questions in less than 6 hours. Now, before enrolling into this Start Club or Inner Circle program, first thing you need to do is you have to click on the check curriculum button over here. Now, if you want to enroll into this Inner Circle program, first thing you need to do is book a Zoom session before you enroll. Now, this is a complimentary and a free Zoom session. So you just need to click on this book a Zoom session and enroll into this so that you have a one-on-one chat with the mentor Ben, where he will try to get your thoughts and what's your capital, what's your time commitment, and how long you're going to work on this business, and whether you have the patience and the never give up attitude so that which are very important for you to succeed online. The mentor has to know whether he has the potential to help you guys, because without capital, he's not going to help you, because any business, for any sake, whether it might be online, offline, you always need a budget. So always book a Zoom session before enrolling into this program. And you can see what all you get here. 90% done for you services like landing pages, software integration, 45-day email sequences, leverage on the brand, and also allow you to insert your Microsoft UET tag to their funnel pages for remarketing purposes. So you can see over 82% of students succeed rate in achieving the above goals. So if you're serious, then please go and enroll onto this inner circle program, where you are going to get a hands-on approach with the mentor, and you're going to build the foundations of your online business. So it's going to take time. Please don't hope for fast results, because email marketing and affiliate marketing for the long term is not a one-click business. So you always need to stay on for this for a longer period of time in order to succeed in this business. So with that being said, let's meet in another training tutorial series, and this is going to be on the new email tracking software that is going to help you as an affiliate marketer. So please watch for those videos. So subscribe to my channel so that you get the immediate notifications. So until then, bye.